We're at Kaaterskill Falls. That's in Haines County, upstate New York in the Catskills. I'm just setting up a shot here of me walking down this trail for Instagram reel. So putting it together right now. Don't fall from here. It's way too far. I'm not coming to help you if you do. I can't look at things like that. Too traumatized as it is. I'm setting up a shot for this bridge over here. Just walking across it. Some nice B-roll for the video.
Kaaterskill! This is it!
This is it, man.
This is what we came here for. Kaaterskill. It's beautiful. The water is actually splashing and hitting us like mist.
We're gonna go up behind it in a minute, get that view.
We're gonna go behind it in a minute and get that view. That's sick. You mean like there?
Yeah, like
nah.
Come on.
I don't got shoes for that. Nah, I don't got shoes for that. It's all wet. I'ma definitely fall.
So right now I'm putting an ND filter on the front of the camera to, it's like putting shades in front of your lens. That way I can slow down the shutter speed so the water has like a more flowing look to it. I'm gonna do that right now.
Oh, you gotta go! No socks. Going across the river. Let's do it. Let's do this. Woo! Yeah, see, not bad. Not bad. Crocs, yo.
Coming down these stairs, and that's it. That's a wrap. That's a 15-minute clip. Go that way.